How to clear iPhone cache without deleting apps. Step 1. Clear your Safari cache, go to Settings, Safari, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. This clears junk from web browsing. Next, try offloading apps. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap on Large App, then select Offload App. This frees up space but keeps your data. Some apps store cache like social media or streaming apps. Go to Settings, iPhone Storage, tap on the app, and check if it allows you to clear data or offload it. A simple restart can help too. It clears temporarily files running in the background. Just turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, then power it back on.